So welcome back once again to our channel Study Adda. So once again I have brought top 15 current affairs for today. So let's start with the today's day of the day, 20th June, and today is World Refugee Day. And the theme of this year is Every Action Counts. Coming to the first question of the day, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has signed a memorandum of understanding with whom for Prime Minister Street Vendors PM Swanidhi Yojana. So right answer for this is option C, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. And the present chairman and managing director of SIDBI is Mohammad Mustafa. Next, which municipal corporation has launched Air Venti app to provide information on ICU beds and ventilators? So this has been launched by Greater Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Option B, Greater Mumbai Municipal Corporation, who has launched Air Venti app to provide information on ICU beds and ventilators. Next, which bank to completely digitize its lending operations? So the right answer for this is Bank of Baroda. Option C, Bank of Baroda. And the Bank of Baroda has recently merged up with Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank on 1st April 2020. Next, India released its first ever national report on which of the following? So India released its first ever national report on climate crisis. Option A, climate crisis. Do you know the report has been prepared under Ministry of Earth Sciences, and the report revealed that India's average temperature has risen by 0.7 degrees Celsius between 1901 and 2018. Next, the national report on climate crisis has revealed that the sea level near Mumbai is rising at the rate of dash per decade. So this is important. So the right answer is 3 centimeter. Option A, 3 centimeter. And also the report stated that the sea level is rising at the rate of 5 centimeter per decade of the Bengal coast. The sea level is rising at the rate of 5 centimeter per decade of the Bengal coast. Next, where the British Petroleum will set up Global Business Service Center. So this will be set up in Pune. Option D, Pune. It will employ around 2000 people and expected to begin in January 2021. Next question. Which home finance company has launched Saral scheme for affordable house loan? So this has been launched by option C, ICICI Bank has launched Saral scheme. ICICI Home Finance Company has launched Saral scheme for affordable house loan. It will be helpful for those whose maximum household income is up to rupees 6 lakh per annum only. Next, which minister inaugurated international workshop on good governance practices in a pandemic? So this has been launched by option A, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Public and Grievances and Personnel Minister. The workshop was organized by Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation, ITEC. The full form is important. Ministry of External Affairs, MEA, National Center for Good Governance, NCGG, and DARPG. Recently, Dr. Harshvardhan has also launched India's first mobile lab for COVID-19. Next, recently Malayalam Kriyar Sachidanandan passed away. He was Kriyar Sachidanandan was a Malayalam director. Option C, director. Next, which state government observed Mask Day on 18th June? This is very important. And the right answer for this is option A, Karnataka. Government has observed Mask Day on 18th June. Option A, Karnataka. Next, who became the new president of 75th United Nations General Assembly? So the right answer for this is option D, Volkan Bozkır. Option D, Volkan Bozkır. He is a Turkish diplomat. Next, who has launched a portal named Science and Technology Yojana for Atmanirbhar Bharat in mining advancement? In short form, it is Satyabhama. This has been launched by Prahlad Joshi. Coal and Mines Minister Prahlad Joshi has launched this portal. Next, which Indian company becomes the first to be valued at USD 150 billion? So the right answer is option B, Reliance Industries Limited. This also made Reliance Industries Limited the first ever Indian company to achieve a market value of above rupees 11 lakh crore. Next, Asia's first medical equipment ecosystem AMTZ has set up DBT AMTZ Command Covid MedTech Manufacturing Development Consortia. So here A stands for which state? Here A stands for Andhra Pradesh, and this AMTZ is located in Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. The country's first ever iLab will help in addressing the shortage of technology in the field of healthcare. So that's all from today. Stay safe, take care.